All right, now we're going to talk a little bit about the formatting and the heading. So you'll see that this section here includes my name, because I'm the person who wrote it, the name of my teacher, so in this case, Mr. Hicks, the class, the period, and the date. You'll see that the date is in a different format than what you might be used to. It's a day first, then the month, then the year. There are no commas because the numbers are not next to each other. If I had the 7 after October next to 2018, then I would have put a comma after the 7. But because these are broken up by the October, the month, you're not going to need a comma there. I've also added a title, Icarus, the Tragic Hero. Really imaginative, I know. I'm going to copy that. It's in title case. And I'm going to move it up here to the document name. And now it's the document name. Last thing you need to do is you need to go up here. You're going to want to go to the right line. So it's going to be right justified. You type in Hicks or your last name. And then I want you to insert a page number. So insert page number at the top. Make sure there's a space between Hicks, your last name, and the page number. And then once you have that, that goes there. So that's in the top of that page. And you'll see that it shows up, well, if I go down to the next page, you'll see that it shows up there. The idea behind that is if you have a college professor or a high school teacher who likes to print out their essays, what's going to happen is that these essays will not be, they might lose a stapler, they might lose a page. So if they're reading through and they're missing a page, they're going to be able to figure out what happened, where did it get missed. So whose essay does this page belong to, and which order of pages is it in. So if you have a college professor who does that kind of thing, that can be crucial. It can really save your bacon having that information on there. It is part of the MLA format for that reason, because sometimes pages get lost and it can really hurt your essay. But if you have that up in the corner, it'll really help you avoid tragedies like that.